Section 1. Introduction. Safeguarding public health through drug regulations. Access to safe and effective medicines is not a privilege but a fundamental human right. In Pakistan, a comprehensive framework of drug regulations is in place to protect and promote public health. These regulations govern every stage of a drug's life cycle, from its initial development to its availability to patients. This intricate system ensures that only high-quality, safe and effective drugs reach the hands of those who need them. This essay delves into the core aspects of drug regulations in Pakistan, providing a clear and concise overview of this critical public health safeguard. We'll explore the definitions, the regulatory bodies, the processes, and the importance of compliance. Whether you're a healthcare professional, a student, or just someone interested in understanding this vital aspect of public health, this essay will serve as your guide to navigating the landscape of drug regulations in Pakistan. It's important to remember that drug regulations are not merely bureaucratic hurdles, they are the guardians of public health, ensuring that the medicines we rely on are safe, effective, and readily available. Understanding these regulations is essential for all stakeholders, from manufacturers and healthcare providers to patients and the general public.
Section 2. Defining the scope. What constitutes a drug in Pakistan? Before we delve into the regulatory intricacies, it's crucial to establish a clear understanding of what constitutes a drug within the Pakistani legal framework. The term drug extends beyond the common perception of pills and injections. According to Pakistani law, a drug encompasses a broad range of substances, including substances used for the diagnosis, treatment, mitigation, or prevention of diseases in humans or animals. Substances that alter the structure or function of the human or animal body, and substances that are intended to be used as a component of a drug. This comprehensive definition underscores the wide-ranging nature of substances regulated under drug laws. It's not just about treating illnesses, but also about preventing them, diagnosing them, and even affecting bodily functions. Understanding this broad scope is fundamental to grasping the importance and reach of drug regulations. Section 3. Navigating the regulatory landscape. Key authorities and their roles. Pakistan's drug regulatory system is overseen by a network of authorities, each entrusted with specific responsibilities to ensure the safety, efficacy, and quality of drugs. At the helm of this system is the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan, or DRAP, established under the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan Act 2012. DRAP serves as the central regulatory body, responsible for registering drugs for marketing in Pakistan, establishing standards for drug quality, conducting inspections of drug manufacturing facilities, and monitoring the safety and efficacy of drugs after they're on the market.
In addition to DRAP, provincial governments also play a crucial role in drug regulation. They are responsible for overseeing the distribution and sale of drugs within their respective provinces, ensuring that drugs are only sold through licensed pharmacies and that counterfeit or substandard drugs are kept out of the market. This collaborative approach between federal and provincial authorities ensures comprehensive oversight of the pharmaceutical landscape in Pakistan.
Section 4. The pillars of drug regulation, ensuring safety, efficacy, and quality. At the heart of Pakistan's drug regulations lie three fundamental pillars: safety, efficacy, and quality. These principles are paramount throughout a drug's life cycle, from its initial development to its availability to patients. Let's examine each pillar in more detail. Safety drugs must undergo rigorous testing to demonstrate that they are safe for human use. This testing includes preclinical studies in animals and clinical trials in humans. The goal is to identify any potential side effects and to determine the safe dosage range. Efficacy. Drugs must be proven effective for their intended use. This means demonstrating through clinical trials that the drug produces the desired therapeutic effect. Quality. Drugs must be consistently manufactured to meet high-quality standards. This ensures that every batch of a drug is identical and contains the correct amount of active ingredient. These three pillars are intricately interconnected. A safe drug that is not effective is of little value to patients. Similarly, an effective drug that is not manufactured to high-quality standards can be dangerous. Drug regulations in Pakistan are designed to ensure that all three of these pillars are upheld, providing patients with access to medicines that are both safe and effective.
Section 5. From production to patient. The drug registration process. Before a drug can be marketed in Pakistan, it must undergo a rigorous registration process with DRAP. This process is designed to ensure that the drug meets the required standards of safety, efficacy, and quality. The registration process typically involves the following steps. 1. Application. The manufacturer or importer of the drug must submit an application to DRAP, providing detailed information about the drug, including its chemical composition, manufacturing process, and intended use. 2. Documentation review. DRAP experts thoroughly review the submitted documentation to assess the drug's safety, efficacy, and quality. This review includes evaluating preclinical and clinical trial data. 3. Inspections. DRAP may conduct inspections of the manufacturing facilities to ensure compliance with good manufacturing practices, or GMP. GMP are a set of guidelines that ensure the quality and consistency of pharmaceutical products. 4. Approval or rejection. Based on the review of documentation, inspections, and expert opinions, DRAP either approves or rejects the drug for registration. Only after a drug successfully completes this comprehensive registration process can it be legally marketed, sold, and used in Pakistan. This stringent process acts as a critical checkpoint, ensuring that only drugs that meet the required standards reach patients.
Section 6, the National Formulary, a cornerstone of drug standardization. The National Formulary of Pakistan, or NF, plays a pivotal role in maintaining the quality and consistency of pharmaceutical products in the country. It serves as the official compendium of standards for drugs marketed in Pakistan, promoting uniformity and ensuring that patients receive medications of the highest quality. The NF encompasses a wide range of information, including monographs on individual drug substances and dosage forms, specifying standards for their identity, purity, strength, and other relevant parameters. General chapters outlining methods of analysis and quality control procedures, and reference standards that serve as benchmarks for quality control testing. The NF is a dynamic document, regularly updated to reflect advancements in pharmaceutical sciences, changes in international standards, and the evolving needs of the healthcare system. Its role in standardizing drug quality is essential for ensuring the efficacy and safety of pharmaceutical products used by the Pakistani population.
Section 7. Quality control. The foundation of trust in medicines. Quality control forms the bedrock of trust in medicines. It encompasses all the measures taken to ensure that pharmaceutical products consistently meet predetermined standards of quality, purity, potency, and safety. This rigorous process spans the entire life cycle of a drug, from the selection of raw materials to the final product released into the market. Key elements of quality control include raw material testing, ensuring that all ingredients used in drug manufacturing meet the required specifications. In-process controls, monitoring critical steps during the manufacturing process to maintain consistency and prevent deviations. Finished product testing, verifying that the final product conforms to all established quality standards before it is released for distribution. Pakistan's drug regulations mandate strict adherence to quality control measures. DRAP conducts regular inspections of manufacturing facilities to ensure compliance with good manufacturing practices, or GMP, which provide a comprehensive framework for quality assurance in pharmaceutical production. These stringent measures are in place to guarantee that the medicines reaching patients are safe, effective, and of the highest quality.
Section A8. Enforcement and Oversight Inspections, Sampling and Analysis. Ensuring compliance with drug regulations is as crucial as establishing them. Pakistan's drug regulatory framework includes robust mechanisms for enforcement and oversight, ensuring that the safety and well-being of the public are never compromised. These mechanisms include inspections. DRAP and provincial drug control authorities conduct regular inspections of manufacturing facilities, warehouses, and retail pharmacies to assess compliance with licensing requirements, good manufacturing practices, and other relevant regulations. Sampling and analysis. Drug inspectors have the authority to collect samples of drugs from manufacturing facilities, distribution channels, and retail outlets. These samples are then sent to government-approved laboratories for analysis to ensure they meet the required standards of quality, purity, and potency. Enforcement actions. In cases of non-compliance, regulatory authorities can take various actions, including issuing warnings, suspending or revoking licenses, seizing substandard or counterfeit drugs, and initiating legal proceedings against violators. These enforcement and oversight activities are essential for maintaining the integrity of the pharmaceutical supply chain, deterring illegal activities, and protecting the public from the risks associated with substandard, spurious, falsely labeled, counterfeit, or adulterated drugs.